Oh, God.
Uh-oh, you videoing this whole thing.
Yeah.
About to Twitch, so you can't video.
Oh, man. It's finally here. You turn on the light so y'all can see it. Got the temp tags on there. It's a little dirty. I drove it last night for the first time. Well, yesterday and last night. It's in a night mode. Start it up so y'all can hear it, but stop pissing my neighbors off. Oh. So we got all these ride modes. I haven't per se drove in anything but urban, 'cause I'm a beginner rider. But I drive like I'm a pro. But nah, I ain't drove in nothing but urban, which is dang, I forgot what all this stuff mean. But I know the engine is in low, the ABS is the brake, the down wheelie control is at 4, which is the highest because I'm not trying to pop any wheelies, and downshift, the quick shifter is amazing. I'm really enjoying that. It's what I just ride in right now. It's me being a beginner. It's just smooth power. The edges in low, and yeah. Let me see what DTS means. So I kind of forgot. Let me see. Riding mode. What is DTC? Oh, that's the traction control. Okay. Let me get up out of there. ABS is obviously brakes. Down wheelie control. And this is a quick shifter, which I really love. Should give you guys a tutorial on how to use the quick shifter, because I was at the dealership, they gave me they told me how to use it, but I don't really know if it was the right terms. But anyway, I'm gonna break it down for you guys. So when you rolling on the throttle, you don't have to push the clutch, you just upshift. If you're trying to downshift, you just roll off the throttle and press down, and it goes. I drove this thing out yesterday, and I had a blast with it. Obviously, I gotta do some more stuff to it, but yeah. Let me turn it off. This is the bike, though. It's the color I wanted and everything. It's a nice blessing. Nice Pirellis on there. Got the Brembo brakes. This is Brembo too. See all that. I like that you just press this down to start now too. I don't know if that was on the older one or not, but yeah. Only buttons I got is the daytime running lights and the horn and the turn signal that you push in. But other than that, no. I can take this off, which is dirty right now. Let me see. I should clean that. This little rag over here. When I took delivery, I drove out to Tennessee and got it from Pandora European Motorsports in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I need to clean it up. That first ride was a little fun, but I'm already tell, like, just like this, it's gonna be hard to keep this clean too. I hope not, but it's my baby though.